What's up, this is Simon back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how to build your email list, so that after watching this video you'll know exactly how to get your first 1000 email subscribers fast. I've grown my list to a bit over 5000 subscribers so far, and in this video I want to show you the exact method that I use to grow my list. And also at the end of this video I'll show you exactly how to get my free email marketing course, where I show you exactly how to build your entire email marketing system step by step. So let's hop onto my computer and get started. Alright, so let's first talk about why you actually need to build your email list, why there is no way around building an email list when you want to have a successful business. Maybe you've heard some people say that if they could go back in time and do one thing differently when starting a business, many people say they would start their email list earlier. And I didn't really understand why you needed to start your email list when I started to market online, but now I really understand the value of having an email list and building one. And I want to go over 3 main reasons why you should actually build your email list. So the first reason is that yes, maybe you have a large following on many different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all that kind of good stuff. But the thing is, you don't really own that platform, so you also don't own the followers on those platforms. So from one day to the other, they could shut down your account, they could change something in the algorithm, and you lose all your reach to your followers. And I've actually seen people lose their YouTube channel because they got hacked or because YouTube banned their account. And the same thing on Instagram, on Facebook, it happens all the time. And that's when you want to have a secondary backup communication channel to be able to rebuild your audience from your email list. So when they shut you down, you can actually still get in front of your audience and rebuild from there. That's reason number 1. That they can't shut down your email list. Reason number 2 is that emails is a great marketing channel. So what many experienced, or actually every experienced marketer does, is before they send their traffic to the sales page, to an offer, they capture their email address. Because maybe you've heard that most people, before they buy something or before they pull the trigger on an offer, they need to see that offer, they need to get in contact with that offer a couple of times, like 7 times or something. And that's why a lot of the sales actually don't happen when they see the offer the first time. And that's why people capture somebody's email address before they actually send them to an offer, and then they send them back to that offer with follow-up emails. And that's where email marketing comes in, and that's also how they build their email list. And then down the line, they send them other offers where they make more money by actually spending no money, because they already paid for the traffic on the different platforms. And now that they have the email address, they don't need to spend any money anymore. They can just send out an email and get an offer in front of them. And also, you can build a relationship with emails, because you don't get only one time in front of them with paid ads. You can send out multiple emails over the course of months and then build your relationship like that. So it is still a great email marketing method, and people are still reading emails and buying from emails. That's reason number 2. And reason number 3 is because it is very easy to automate. If you use an email marketing software, like for example GetResponse, it's the one that I use, you can automate your emails by building email workflows where you can just drag and drop different blocks here where you send emails, you let them wait a day, and then you check who actually opened the email, and then send them a different route if they didn't open an email, and all that kind of stuff. And that's very powerful. So you could actually capture somebody's email address and then have a whole email marketing campaign set up in the backend, so everything runs on autopilot. That's very powerful, and that's also a big reason why you should do email marketing and why you should build your email list. Now, how do you actually build your list, and how do you get somebody's email? Well, the way it works is that you have to actually give something in return for somebody's email, because nobody really likes to give away their contact information just like that. And that's what we call a lead magnet. It's something that you give away to get a lead. So you get an email address, which is your lead. And there are 3 things that your lead magnet needs to be. It needs to be specific to your audience. So you don't give away like templates for editing photos to people who are interested in fitness tips. If you run a fitness YouTube channel, you can give something away like the best 10 exercises for building like a six-pack or something, because people will want to get that. And the second thing is it needs to be actually valuable, because if you just put something together really quickly, then the first contact you have with people is already kind of a bad contact, because they see that you don't really provide something that is valuable to them, and it will be so much harder in the future to actually get them to buy something that you recommend or to buy your products, because they already think that you're not really delivering on your promise. So make sure it's actually something valuable that you yourself would also want to download. Now, the third thing is it needs to be digital. So you need to be able to easily deliver your lead magnet to your audience. Now, let me give you some examples of good lead magnets that you can give away in exchange for somebody's email address. So what I like to give away is an ebook. What also is a great idea is to give away a checklist or like a free mini course. That's maybe like an hour long or something, or like templates. And that templates is good if you have like a photography channel and you give away your Lightroom templates that people can use to easily and very quickly edit their photos. So it doesn't have to be something big. It has to be like a quick win. It has to be something people can easily implement in their daily life or in their business, and they can quickly get something valuable out of it. So let me just take you through the process that I create my lead magnets. It's very simple. You don't need to overcomplicate anything when it comes to create your lead magnets. And what I do is I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on my channel and creating passive income streams online. So what I did is I wrote like a short ebook. It's only like in Word, it's like 7 pages or something. And I explained the process that I went through to create multiple passive income streams online. So I chose the title 7 Simple Steps to Passive Income with Affiliate Marketing. So I wrote this ebook in a Word document, and then I went to canva.com, which is a free website. I'm just going to show you it here. That's what this website looks like. And they already have a lot of different templates that you can use to create your ebook. I just chose a very simple layout here, and I just pasted all the text into Canva and made it look very nice. I also have my social media links on the bottom here, and you can also include graphics in your ebook and stuff. So I didn't include a lot of graphics here. It's mostly text, but that's how I designed my ebook. It doesn't take a lot of time. You can also include links in here. And then I also created a very simple cover for my ebook. There's also templates for that. You see on the left side different templates that you can use to create your ebook. And then I just downloaded it on the top here with a PDF document, and then there's your lead magnet. But the time I actually spent is to create a valuable content inside of this ebook. That's very important. So yeah, write it in Word, go to canva.com, create your lead, design your lead magnet there, and then download it as a PDF file. So I highly recommend you actually create your lead magnet yourself and make sure it's something valuable. If you absolutely have no time creating something, then there is another possibility. You can go to a website called IDPLRcom. I'll leave a link to that website down below in the description. And there you can download different ebooks that you can give away. So you have the rights to give those away if you download it from IDPLR.com, and if you sign up there, they already have some free things you can download. So I just typed in fitness right here, and you see there's top nutrition tips, insider training, kettlebell bootcamp, whatever that is. But there's, for every niche, they have different lead magnets. So let me type in health here. Then there should come up some things about health. Intermittent fasting formula, that's stuff you can give away for free. So IDPLR.com is an alternative if you don't want to create your lead magnet yourself. But again, I think you should create it yourself because it's more personal and it already builds that relationship with your email subscriber. Now, let's continue how to actually deliver your lead magnet. So how we do that is by creating a landing page. So we send people to a so-called landing page where we kind of describe what our lead magnet is and how they can get it. And how they can get it is basically by by typing in their email address, and then we will send them the lead magnet via email. So they get to the landing page, then they enter their contact information. The contact information will go to our email list inside of our email marketing software, and then we can send them out an email that will send them a link to our lead magnet. I'm just going to show you how this looks like in my current situation. So this is the landing page that I'm currently using here. It's basically a very simple landing page. It just says ebook and then the exact method I use to make a full-time passive income online. And then people click on download, click on the download button. Then they type in their information here, their name and their email address. And then they click on yes, give me the free ebook. And then if I click submit, then it will put that email address in my email list on my email marketing software. And now it says your ebook is waiting for you in your inbox. So what they do then is go to their inbox and they get to the email called here's your ebook. And that's when my welcome email is automatically sent out. So I welcome them to my email newsletter, and then I have a link there where they can click, and then it takes them to my Dropbox folder where the ebook is. And then they can download it or read it in the Dropbox folder or whatever. So that's how you basically deliver your lead magnet. Now, how do you actually get traffic to your landing page? That's something that's like a whole topic in and of itself, so I will not go really deep into that topic. And I assume you already kind of have an audience if you think about starting your email list, because that's kind of what you need to build if you want to run free traffic. So there's free traffic and there's paid traffic. If you want to create an email list really, really fast, you basically need to go for paid traffic. But some free traffic methods I personally use is YouTube, obviously, because like you see, I have a YouTube channel. And the way I do it is, let's say I do a video about the 7 best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. That's a video that I did a couple of days ago. And then in the description, I have a link where it says free ebook, get my affiliate marketing ebook here. And then people can click on this ebook, and then they will get to my landing page, and then I will capture their email address. And then in the video, I just say, if you want to learn more, you can download my free ebook. You'll find the link down below in the description. That's how it works on YouTube. If you have a blog, for example, this is a blog about how to start a blog, actually. And what they have just a button on the top here where they give away a free course. So they give away a 5-day blogging bootcamp for beginners, obviously for free because it is a lead magnet. And then you just have to enter your email address, and then they will have also the follow-up emails sending you to the course and maybe market something to you in the future. So if you have a blog, it also works like that. You can also use Instagram. In your bio, you can just enter your landing page link in your Instagram bio, or Facebook. There's tons of different possibilities. But that's all I'm going to say to traffic in this video, except, sorry, I also have some paid traffic information here. So like I said, if you want to build your email list really quickly, then you basically have to pay for ads if you don't already have an audience. So obviously you can run Facebook ads, you can run Google ads or Instagram ads or YouTube ads. One really easy way I want to show you is solo ads. And people who, so the way it works is that you can get emails that are already on email list of other people. So there are people that already have a huge email list, and then they can send out emails for you. So I'm just going to show you how it works on the website itself. So it's udemy.com. So you go there, and then you click on find sellers, and then you see the different niches. So they don't have every niche here, but there's like the main ones: marketing, finance, health, mobile, social, crypto. So let's say we want to, it's a marketing email list, and then there are some different providers, let's say this one. And then all we have to do is basically decide how many visitors we want to get to our landing page, and then paste our landing page link inside of this field. And then what they will do is they will write an email for you, sending people to your landing page, and that's how you get new email subscribers really quickly. I did some orders here, and so this is what it looks like. It takes, it doesn't take a long time until you get your visitors, And then on this particular one, I got a 32% opt-in rate, and I think on some of them I also got some sales. So Udemy is definitely a cool website, and I do have a link in the description that you can use to get a $5 discount off your first Udemy purchase if you want to go and purchase solo ads. So that's all I have to say to traffic. Now, how do you actually set all this up? What you basically need is you need an email marketing software. And the one that I recommend is GetResponse. It's the one that I personally use. I've been using it for a long time. And a big reason why I recommend it to beginners is because they also have a landing page builder. So you can actually build your landing page inside of GetResponse. And that's actually what I teach in my free email marketing course. So the first 2 lessons in my email marketing course, I'm just going to take you to my course here. So this is my email marketing course that you can get for free. So the first 2 lessons is a little bit more in detail what I talked about in this video. And then lesson 3 to lesson 6 will be how to set up the entire email marketing system within the software GetResponse. So if you want to learn how to set this up, you can get my free email marketing course. There's a link down below in the description where you get to my landing page, and then I capture your email address, and then I will send you a link to that email marketing course to your email. And then I will also send you some follow-up emails giving you more tips about email marketing and stuff like that. So if you already are advanced and you just want to learn how to set all this up in GetResponse, then you can just watch my complete GetResponse tutorial here on YouTube, where I show you step by step how to build everything within GetResponse, basically. So you don't need to go through the basics again inside of my email marketing course, but you can if you want to. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also leave me a comment if you have any questions about email marketing or this video or something else. Just leave them down below in the comment section. I answer every comment that I get. And also, if you want, you can also leave me the different niches that you're in, like business, finance, health, fitness, or whatever. Leave it down below in the description so I can give you some more ideas what you could personally use as a lead magnet. So I give you some lead magnet ideas. If you're interested in online marketing, in making money online and passive income, affiliate marketing, then make sure you actually subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. Also, tick the little notification bell next to the subscribe button. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.